revision of coordinate geometry. Here I am repeating all the important concepts of coordinate geometry. To locate the position of an object or a point on a plane, we require two perpendicular lines. One of them is horizontal and other is vertical. The plane is called the Cartesian or coordinate plane and lines are called coordinate axes. The horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. The point of intersection of axes is called origin. The coordinates of origin are 0, 0. The coordinate axis divide the plane into four parts called quadrants. The coordinate of a point are of the form plus plus in the first quadrant, minus plus in the second quadrant, minus minus in the third quadrant and plus minus in the fourth quadrant. Now go through these key points. Now, x coordinate of a point is called as abscissa and y coordinate of a point is called as ordinate. If the abscissa of a point is x and ordinate is y, then x, y are called the coordinates of a point. Now go through the key point. The coordinates of a point on x-axis are of the form x0, a0 or any positive number like 3, 0. It means y coordinate of all the points on x-axis is 0. Now read it carefully. The coordinates of the point on x-axis are of the form of a0 or x0 or any number, 0. Now the coordinate of a point on y-axis are of the form 0, a or 0 and x. It means x coordinate of all the points on y-axis is 0. Read this point carefully. The coordinates of a point on y-axis are of the form 0, a or 0, y. To locate the position of a point, we need to draw perpendicular from that point on x-axis and y-axis. The perpendicular distance from y-axis is known as x-coordinate. The perpendicular distance from x-axis is known as y-coordinate. In this slide, perpendicular distance of a point A from y-axis is of 6 units. Therefore, its x-coordinate is 6. And perpendicular distance of a point A from x-axis is units. Therefore, its y-coordinate is 4. Hence, coordinates of a point A are 6 and 4. Now read these key points. Now we will talk about mirror image. It is a virtual image formed by reflection in a mirror. Mirror image of a point is just a reflection of a point from the x-axis and y-axis. When we talk about mirror image of a point on x-axis, then x-axis acts as a mirror. And when we talk to find the mirror image of a point on y-axis, then y-axis acts as a mirror. For example, if you want the mirror image of a point 3, 2 with respect to x-axis, then we will keep the x coordinate same, but sign of y coordinate will change. Therefore, mirror image of point 3, 2 will be 3 and minus 2. And if we want the mirror image of a point 2, 4 with respect to y-axis, then we will keep y coordinate same, but sign of x coordinate will change. Therefore, mirror image of point 2, 4 will be minus 2 and 4. Now go through these key points. And you have to learn all the key points. Thank you.